just a quick video to tell you how to increase the subtitle size, or really just adjust the subtitle size to the size that you want. So it's a real easy thing to do. Netflix makes it real easy to do. So let's jump right into it. All we're going to do is going to go up to the top right and hover our mouse over our icon. And then we'll see this drop down menu, and we're going to click on account. Once the account opens, we're going to scroll down to profile and parental controls. And you can see you can actually set a different setting for each profile that you have in your account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on mine, and it'll drop down, and you'll see I can go down to subtitle appearance. So if I click on change on subtitle appearance, then I have the option of 3 different sizes. It's defaulted to the medium size, but I can make it bigger, smaller, or keep it at medium. And you can actually see here it gives you a little example of what it will look like on the screen. I can change the color, the font, the background that might be with it, and all that kind of stuff. And if you get it all messed up, then you could just click to reset it to default, and it will go back to its default settings. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. If it did, if you would please be so kind as to leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions about any other things like this that you want to know how to do, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments, and I will try to help you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.